If you take a look, one of those states is Arizona. Right now, a tight race there between Joe Biden and President Trump. You can see the breakdown there right now. Joe Biden at 51%, Donald Trump at President Trump at 48%, but only 86% of the vote in right now. So still up for grabs there. Arizona's Secretary of State Katie Hobbs joins us now from Phoenix to help us dig down a little bit further. Secretary Hobbs, first of all, thanks for being here. I know it's a really busy day, so we appreciate your time. Tell us a little bit about what your state is doing to ensure that every ballot is counted and that everything is being done according to law.
Well, we are absolutely focused right now on making sure that every single ballot is counted. There are around 600,000 votes still to be counted in Arizona. We have folks at the tabulation centers in every county working on that right now. And in terms of security, there are party observers allowed in to watch that process. Additionally, all of the tabulation centers have cameras, and so anyone can go to the county elections website in any county and watch that process as it happens while it's happening. So a lot of security there. We are really focused right now on getting these votes counted, and hopefully we'll know more tonight where we stand. Maricopa County is obviously the largest county in Arizona, 2/3 of the voting population, and there'll be 400,000 of those outstanding ballots are in Maricopa, and they'll be releasing a lot more totals this evening.
Now, per the Maricopa County Recorder, there are over 400,000 ballots to be counted, over 160,000 absentee ballots dropped off at the polls yesterday. Any expectations on how this will impact the overall vote, and how challenging has it been to deal with this level of mail-in ballots?
I'm sorry, you're cutting out a little bit. But I think that, in 2018, we had 4 races that were Republicans were ahead on election night. And when we started counting these early ballots after Election Day, those 4 races swung to the Democratic candidate, my race included. Certainly there is a lot of scrutiny on Arizona, and we are focused on getting this right. As I mentioned, people can watch this process on the cameras, and we are working diligently to get it done.
And Secretary Hobbs, any thoughts on when we could see those results come in?
Well, Maricopa County has not they have let us know that they are releasing more vote totals at 7 p.m. Arizona time and 9:30 p.m. Arizona time this evening, but they haven't said how many they anticipate being in those batches. When we see that number, then that'll give us a good sense of kind of how long it will take for them to get through the rest of the ballots.
All right, Arizona Secretary of State Katie Hobbs, we appreciate your time tonight. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.